Good morning. My name is Prof. Amagwu Ibeawuchi Francis. On the 4th of February 2025, I had a fracture and I was rushed to CBN clinic. I'm a retired director of CBN. So CBN referred me because they have a relationship with Cedarcrest. They referred me to Cedarcrest Hospital. At Cedarcrest Hospital, I was well received and well attended to. At Cedarcrest, they ran all the tests necessary and booked me for surgery. And I was attended to by a team of doctors. Dr. Kumar, Dr. Akinrede, who came in from London, Dr. Tu, who I understand is a senior registrar, the chief the anesthetics, the team of anesthetics, they were super. And Dr. Ekwe, who I also understand is the lead surgeon, they were excellent. They gave me the impression of well-trained professionals. We lasted 4 hours in the theater, and I was now rolled out of the theater for post-surgery care. At the post-surgery care, the medical team took over, and both the nurses, the medical team, nursing assistants were all good. And I also know too well that the team of surgeons that attended to me were constantly visiting to monitor the progress of the surgery. Interestingly, from the CEO of Cedarcrest to the lowest staff maintained the culture. Because I remember at the point the CEO visited with the most senior management staff of the hospital to cheer me up, find out how I was doing, and eventually give me hope that it is not bad after all. At Cedarcrest Hospital, I found hope, and I had cause to talk to my international friends because I came in from abroad to do this surgery. Why they lacked, I wouldn't say they lacked the confidence to do this surgery abroad. Cedarcrest had the confidence and they did it. Bearing for any injury or extraordinary, unforeseen circumstances, I believe we are on course. Because as I did, the progress of the surgery and the healing is according to their plan. Nothing has happened to suggest any contradiction. So I can comfortably say I am in good hands, and I believe God I will have full recovery in no distant time. Thank you.